In this video, I'm going to review some of the trade alerts we published this week. So I'm just going to start right here with ones that we published today, which is April the 14th, the date I'm filming this video. So let's look at this first one here. So this is for WMB. It's the April 19th option. It's a call option, the $36.50 strike. And it was sent here, and the price at the time of entry was $209. And let's just see how it's doing right now. So I'm going to go over here to a trading platform that shows a chart for WMB. And there was an entry at some point today. Let's look at the actual option chain for it. So the expiration is April 19th, and it's a $36.50 call. So here's the April 19th expiration, and the $36.50 call, it shows a price between $2 and $2.15. So the bid is $2, this is the bid, and this is the ask at $2.15. So the price might be, somewhere in the middle. So it might be $2.05 or $2.10. And we go back here and we see that the entry price, the price at the time this was posted, was $2.09. So the value of this particular one has not moved much. And that's going to happen sometimes. When we post trade alerts, it's not like it's a guarantee that the price of that option is going to go up. There is risk involved, and what we try to do is put information at your disposal that might put the odds in your favor of making a profit over time. Each trade is not going to be a winner, but we hope that by educating you on trade setups that have a back-tested track record of success, that over time, over the course of many trades, that the odds will be in your favor for being profitable. So this particular one has not moved much, and price, actually, if you look at the chart, it did move. It from the time that the trade alert was sent, if right now it's at about break even, then that means that we know it at least took some heat since that time. And so that means that this has fluctuated in value. It's just the net result as of this moment is about break even. Let's look at another one here. Here's a trade alert for Citi. And so this is the April 19th expiration, the 55 call. So let me go look that up. We'll go over here. This is the option chain, the April 19th expiration and the 55 call. And you can see the price is, 570 to 575. So let's call it 570. Well, let's say 570 since the bid now is this and this. 570 is right in the middle. And the price of this one when the trade alert was posted was $4.93. So this one has already shown some profit, and that was posted just a few hours ago. And this one actually, if you were to use this optional profit target, you would already be close to the profit target on this particular one just within one day. This is meant to be a 3-day transaction, but you would already be close to the profit target in this particular case for this one. Let's see. Let me go see if I can track down a couple more here just for fun. XLU. So this is the April 19th, the $61.50 call. So $61.50 here. So the price is somewhere between $345 and $360. Let's call it $350 to $355. And the price at the time of entry on this one was $313. So this one also has gone up in value. And let's see, how about one more? I'm trying to actually find one that has gone down in value, just to show the full spectrum of what can happen. So here's CMA. I'm going to pull this up. And this one, this is actually the April 26th expiration and the 44 strike call. April 26th is right here, and the 44 strike is right here. So the midpoint between the bid and the ask is $785. So let's say that that's the price. You can see, there we go. That one is down from the price when we posted this. So here's an example of one that's worse than break even. It's not profitable. It's actually gone down. And this is definitely possible. This can happen. And so I wanted to feature it in the video just to show there's a spectrum of outcomes you're going to have when you follow trade alerts or just make trades in general. And so this is an example of one that is down so far. Now, one thing about our approach here is that it's all about following the trading rules. Now, you can do whatever you want with any trade alert. You can choose to follow it or not follow it, and if you do follow it, you can manage the trade in any way you want. It's completely up to you, and we support you all the way. But when we show these backtest results, which is basically us going back and seeing how many times did this trade setup occur for, in this case, Comerica, and how did it perform, it's based on a very specific set of rules for that trade setup. And this is the outcome based on those rules from our backtesting research. And the key kind of that we've seen from our research is a trade's not over until it's over. And so this particular trade, it's down right now, and there's no guarantee where it's going to go from here. It could continue to go down more. It could rebound and go up. You just don't know. And that's part of the idea behind our trade alerts is rather than kind of over managing trades, they're designed to just give you very simple instructions for how you would follow this trade setup if you wanted to follow it. It's just simply if you decide you want to follow it, you buy it when the trade alert is sent, and then you hold it until the trade exit date, the time and date shown there, and that's it. So there isn't over management needed. There isn't a lot of extra manual work needed to kind of deal with the position. It's designed for you to just buy it and let it breathe and exit at the end. And again, it's not like every trade is going to be a winner, but these results are based on taking an approach like that. So at any given time, you could have positions that are down, but it doesn't mean that they're losers or that they're over with, because until the trade is done, you don't know what's going to happen next. So that's it. Those are some of the trade alerts that we have going on right now. If you have any questions about our service here at Stock Market Guides, or just questions in general about the market or about options, you can reach out to us anytime. Our email address is support@stockmarketguides.com.